see it.
The basketball is complete frozen.
Ice Storm 2015. Guys, you wish it was snow?
No. Yes. No.
You like the ice?
We like the ice. It can go faster down the hill. And there's
Oh!
frozen. Got stuck on there.
All right, have a race on the sleds. Let's see.
Hang on.
Let's see you go, Eva.
I'm going down. Oh.
Let's see it, baby. Awesome! All right, Sean, let's see it. Guys, that was awesome! Jack, was that awesome?
That was awesome! This is so fun!
Jack, what are you eating? Icicles? Go get some. Go again, let's see it. Woo! All right, Sean. Get a running start. Oh, Sean, what happened? What happened?
I fell off. These are two amazing rides.
You guys want me to go down? Let's see it, Sean. Let's see it. Sean, what are you doing? What was that? What are you crazies doing? What?
Can I go to the street and try it? No cars.
Y'all want to try it in the street?
What?
Yeah, I just saw a car go by. I want to see you go down the hill one more time.
Okay.
You starting back there, Eva? Hey, why do you keep falling off? Go, Eva.
Look at Sean. Look at that saw.
Hey, Eva, go. Jack.
Jack,
Jack, is that your saw?
My daughter's stuff.
sort of stuck. Hey, Eva, I wouldn't grab that. You're going to make your gloves wet and your hands are going to get cold. Jack, don't eat that, you goober. Hey, let's go check out the street.